Good afternoon to all. In this video, we discuss conditional statements or if clauses. Before we discuss conditional clauses, we should know theory behind clauses. Language is made up of different elements like letters, syllables, words, phrases, clauses, sentences. As a part of our topic today, we discuss clauses. Clauses are the group of the words with meaning or without meaning. There are two types of clauses in English language. One is the subordinate clause, another one is main clause. When you come to examples, you can easily understand those clauses. Otherwise, I will show these subordinate clause and main clause. See, if I study well, I will get first rank. Which is the I will study. If I study well is the condition. Subordinate clause always talks about condition. I will get first rank is the main class. Main class always talks about result. Subordinate class always talks about condition. I hope you can understood what I said, what I explained. Here there are three types under conditions. We discuss all those conditions elaborately. First, we know that there are three types of conditions. First, we discuss type 1 condition. Type 1 condition always talks about possible actions. Type 1 condition always talks about possible actions. Example, if I study well, I will get first rank. If I reach early to the bus station, I will catch bus. These are possible actions. Possible actions. Future depends on the present. Future always depends on present. Here, if acts as conjunction, the whatever the clause precede, whatever the clause follows, if conjunction, that becomes a subordinate clause. Then after comma we can observe main clause. I hope you understood what I said. Subordinate clause always talks about condition, main clause talks about result. In type 1 condition, subordinate clause can be seen in present form of verb. Main class have future form of verb. See, study is the present form of verb in the subordinate class. Will get is the future form of verb in the main class. I hope you could understand what I said. Next, here, if class should be in present tense form, main class should be in future form. If I reach early to the bus station, I will catch bus. Here also, we can observe present form of verb reach. Here will catch is the future form of verb. Here type 1 condition talks about possible actions. Next type 2 condition, it talks about impossible actions, past impossible actions. If I studied well, I would get first rank. You didn't study well, so you failed examination. What if I studied well, I would get first rank. What is this meaning? What is the meaning of this sentence? I didn't study well, so I failed examination, I didn't get first rank. This is past impossible action. Here if class should have V2 form of verb in subordinate class, would plus infinite form in main class. Always remember that subordinate class talks about condition, main class talks about result. Another example I give you. If I reached early to the bus station, I would catch bus. You didn't reach bus station early, you failed to catch bus. That is the meaning of the type 2 condition meaning. Here type 2 condition should have one past tense verb, another one is would plus V1 form. Past tense form of verb in subordinate class, would plus V1 form in main class. Subordinate class always talks about reason or condition, main class talks about result. Subordinate class always depends on main class for its result. Otherwise, it becomes incomplete. Next, type 3 condition. It talks about hypothetical actions. If I had studied well, I would have gotten first rank. We come across these kind of sentences, hypothetical actions in our lives. If I had studied well, I would have gotten first rank. It's a kind of hypothetical actions, imagination, imaginary action. Type 3 condition always talks about imaginary actions. If I had studied well, I would have gotten. You didn't. You didn't study well. Sorry, you didn't enroll into course. You didn't study well. You didn't write examination. Just it is a kind of assumption. If I had studied well, I would have gotten first rank. If I had reached early to the bus station, I would have caught bus. Here in the subordinate class, you should observe had plus V3 form. Past perfect tense you can observe in type 3 condition, and then would plus have plus V3 form in main class. I hope you could understood what I said. Thank you so much. It is about if class. Any doubts you can give comments in chat box. Thank you so much.